there, this is Mila from WTI, and today I wanted to spend a little time telling you why I love this Gooby walkthrough harness so much. I have a special guest here today. This is Gypsy, and we're going to explain to you why we love this harness more than any other one that we've purchased. So the description is pretty accurate. It's a walkthrough, so you don't have to worry about the centerpiece that's on traditional harnesses, which makes it really easy to put on. As you can see, I simply put it on the floor, place her feet inside, and pull up, just like that. And with this breed of dog that I have two Boston Terriers actually. They tend to have a wider circumference of chest than in proportion to the rest of their body. So if you take a look, Gypsy can show us, it doesn't have skin contact in the center, which is really important for her. And what I also love is the adjustable straps here, so you can make it tighter or looser by simply adjusting these here, and it's got a leash hook at the top. Another great feature about this harness, thank you Gypsy for your help, is the fabric it's made of. Let me show you. So if you take a look, it's like a water resistant, stain proof exterior, and then the fabric that hits or makes contact with the skin is like a breathable mesh. It's also got great little decals for Gooby, and I absolutely love the Gooby walkthrough harness. So there you have it. That's my point of view.